Uru Shimbwe, a place where people have learned to live in harmony with nature. We're after the Materuni waterfalls. Not those. But before we reach to the pinnacle of our journey, a trekking tour through this green neighborhood will do us justice. We also got a dog to keep us company, 'cause why not? He forced his way into our pilgrimage.
That is the Kilimanjaro National Park border. And in this direction, we will go now in some minutes in this valley, and then we come to the tallest waterfall, to the Mnambe waterfall. And in the afternoon, or after, let's say, noon, we go up to the other side on the left, and this is then Shimbwe.
A long tower of ever-falling water. A drainage for the melting glaciers of the Kilimanjaro summit.
I would guess it's about 65 to 70 meters. Some locals say it's 90, but it's not 90, definitely not. It's up to 70 meters, this waterfall.
This is Uru Shimbwe, a village beneath Africa's Queen of Heights.